Hi, welcome back to my reload bench. I got a mail call from Sarge at C4 Defense, so let's see what we got. As usual, we'll use the Leatherman Wave to cut it open, and if the knife is dull, that's my fault. I don't sharpen it enough. Or it's just some really, really good tape. Oh, look at this. Now I get to be one of the cool kids. SHOT Show exclusive. Look at this. From Lyman. Yep. I've been wanting one of these since I seen Midnight Range sporting one of them. Thank you very much, Sarge. And from Anderson, a koozie, and I love Anderson rifles, Anderson manufacturing rifles, their parts, their products. I haven't had any issues with them. They're all American made. They're a great company. They've got a manufacturing facility right there in Kentucky. I stand behind their products. Ooh, look at this. We got more swag, more swag. Lyman. As a reloader, I mean, can you tell? I've got grass going everywhere, but Lyman stuff. So this is great. This is more Lyman stuff. This is great. Thanks, Sarge. Oh man, look at all this stuff. Gunbroker, Alien Gear holster. Man, wow. This is a lot of stuff. Mission First Tactical. A bottle opener. A Zoom. Wow, look at all this stuff. Oh, I dropped something. I finally got a Glock. Look at this, guys. I finally got a Glock. This is great. Thanks, Sarge. Here, let's get that out of the way. Loopholed, yes, because my first scope is going to be a Loopold. This is excellent. Thank you so much. Put that right there. And there's even more stuff. Look at this. Okay. I'm not sure what company that is. I'm going to have to look that up. And then Core Survival. Thanks so much, Sarge. This is way more than, I mean, you said you were sending some stuff. I didn't realize it was going to be this much stuff. This is great. So thanks for what you were able to send me from SHOT Show. I even got my very first Glock. This is great. I would love to go to SHOT Show one of these years. It just, who knows if I'll ever be able to make it. But I appreciate the fact that you went, and the videos that you've been putting out from SHOT Show are really well done. And I think you're bringing a lot of good information to people who wanted to know what's new in the industry this year. So thank you very much.